Here's how to enter the 495 express lanes from eastbound Route 29 or Lee Highway. Make sure you're in the far right lane. Turn right at the light to enter the on-ramp. Merge to the right to enter the express lanes. And here's how to enter the 495 express lanes from westbound Route 29. Make sure you're in the far left lane. Turn left at the light to enter the on-ramp. Make sure to keep to the right. Merge to the right to enter the express lanes. What about exiting the 495 express lanes onto Lee Highway? Here's how to do it if you want to go west. Take the Lee Highway exit to the left. While on the ramp, move into the left lane. Turn left at the light. Here's how you would exit the 495 express lanes to go eastbound on Route 29. Take the Lee Highway exit to the left. While on the ramp, move into the right lane. This time, turn right to go east on Lee Highway.